Hi, my name is Anvita, and today we're going to be looking at how to practice Matsyasana, or the fish position. Now, Matsyasana has two different variations, a simplified version that you can practice in a normal cross-leg position, and also the full posture of Matsyasana, which involves the Padmasana or the lotus position. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the simplified version of Matsyasana, which involves just the very basic Sukhasana, or the cross-leg position. Now, before you begin this practice, you just want to make sure that you don't have any neck injuries, any spinal injuries, and no scoliosis or any spinal injuries at the moment, so that you're completely fine while doing this asana. And if you have none of these injuries, then we're going to begin practicing Matsyasana and understanding exactly how to do it. Alright, so now we're going to be practicing Matsyasana, or the fish pose. So as you can see, I'm already in Shavasana, or the Shavasana position. You're going to make sure that your legs are at shoulder width distance apart, your hands are by the side of your body, your palms are facing upwards. And you're going to close your eyes and lie down here for a few seconds as you allow yourself to completely relax. Find that equanimity in your breath and make sure all of your attention is completely in the present moment. And then from there, you're going to transition into the Matsyasana practice. So you're going to bring your legs together, make sure your heels and toes are touching each other, your hands come in closer to your body, and your palms are facing downwards. And this is known as Samasthiti, or the steady position. Now from here, you're going to take your hands back. Make sure that they're in line with your ears. So you just want to check on where your hands are. And once you've got enough support, you're going to tilt your head. You're going to tilt your head back. And you're going to bring your hands in front, place them on your thighs, arch your lower back, and your toes are pointing downwards. Now you're going to maintain this practice for a few seconds and hold it for as long as you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then hands come back near your ear. Release your neck, come back down, and bring your hands back by the side of your body. And once you've done with that, you come back into your Shavasana position, spread your legs, spread your arms, and relax once again. So that is the very simplified Matsyasana practice. And there's also a slightly more challenging way of doing it, which involves Padmasana. So depending on your capacity levels and your ability at the moment, you can choose whether you like to do the simplified version of this practice or the slightly more complicated one. So depending on where you are right now, you can choose which one you'd like to do. Alright, so that was a practice of Matsyasana, or the fish position, and I hope that you've been able to understand exactly how you need to practice it. Now, a few pointers that you want to keep in mind while you're practicing this asana is that even while you're arching your back, you want to be really mindful that you don't overdo it, because your spine could feel an extra strain while you're in it. So do each asana and each movement really carefully and don't overemphasize your lower spine. Apart from that, a few benefits of this asana are that you feel a gain of agility in your spine, and also that your spinal flexibility in general improves. At the same time, you will feel like you have some sort of lung expansion, and that your breathing becomes easier because of the upward movement of your chest in this asana. And also you will feel like the blood circulation, especially in your lower body, improves a lot, because your toes are pointing downwards and your body is completely stretched out, similar to a rubber band, and so on both sides there is improvement of blood circulation. So quite a few benefits that come from doing this asana, as long as you do it really carefully and to the best of your capacity. So keep all of these pointers in mind while you practice it, and also remember that Matsyasana is best practiced after Sarvangasana, or your candle stand position. So if you already know how to do that, put Matsyasana after the candle stand position. So that's the synopsis of this asana. I hope that you're able to add it to your daily practice and that it helps you. Now, if you found this video helpful and it's added any sort of value to your life, please do consider subscribing to our channel, and also share this video with your friends or your family if you think it could benefit them as well. We're now going to see you in the next video, and we look forward to speaking to you then.